jolly. What causes wind? The tree sneezes. I don't think so. Well, the truth is hard to explain. Wow, the trees are sneezing to this.